I like the consistency of the bag. It's got like a... I can't actually explain it. It's obviously like a plasticky, but paper as well. Like a plastic, papery material. I don't know why, it feels really fun to play with. So yeah, this is a package I just recently got in the mail today. Like I said, it was meant to be part of the other video, unboxing, or as I called it, an unbagging. But instead, I'm going to be opening this today because I've only just got it, so I made the other video without this package because it hadn't arrived yet. But I thought, you know what, I'm going to open it now. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I got my keys for here. And as you can see, I've got a little knife. I've got a little knife on here, which I'm going to open this with. So let's give that a go. Still very sharp, which is really good. Now we can finally get inside, which is good. So let's have a look at what we've got. We have a little fish bone keychain knife, which is really cool. We have, oh, two. So this is what's come today in the package. 2 fishbone knives, which is really cool. I don't know what I'm going to do with these just yet. But let's open these and have a little look. This is what they look like. This is what the fishbone knife looks like. It's made out of surgical steel, which is really durable and rust resistant. Hopefully it will be sharp. You can see the size of the blade there. It's about 3/4 of the length of the actual entire thing. So it looks like a good blade width. And now we can open it to see what it looks like. Wow. So this is what it looks like. It's non-locking, shorter than 3 inches, which makes it legal in the UK. Looks like it has a very durable finish on it. And overall, a really good knife so far. But obviously I haven't tested its sharpness. But usually, all of the knives that come from China are really, really sharp, even if they don't hold the edge for too long. But in my case, the edges that I've had have kept actually a really long time, even though they're not fancy materials. But yeah, look, we can try cutting through this bag now and see what this is like. Let's have a look then. Trying to get it on camera so we can see. So it's not as sharp as I'm used to, but it still looks like a good knife. Like it still cuts through that. Still cuts pretty decently. It looks like it has no issues cutting, which is good. This is a weird plastic material, so. But yeah, guys, so this is my little review on this fishbone knife, and it seems to cut through that just fine. It's a slightly different style to my other knife, but that's okay. I could always give it a little sharpen, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this knife in the comments. Tell me if you like it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video, as I've enjoyed making it. So take care, guys, and have a great day.